Oh, this is Cybertime. Today I'm going to talk about Clicknox. Clicknox is a website, and its website and it offers you get paid for to read. There's a lot of offers. Always offers are 100% exclusive deals. All you gotta do is just sign up to learn. Quick description of what it does. Okay, you browse their site and start complete easy offer. Share your link and you'll earn $10 for 15 referrals. You can put your link on all over social media. The retail pays commission for your complete offers, and we added this to your. Let's say someone buys something, you get a small commission, which it depends how much it ranges for. Here about ClickNox is the about section. Register, payout bonus. They have payout bonus. Each referral earn you $5 bonus, and you can withdraw it. There's over 1,000 merchants. There'll be like a downloaded list. How to earn. Simple. Read articles and complete offers and share your link. This is their main website. Let me see. How do you contact them? Contact is through email only. Monday, Friday, 9 a.m. Only through email. So if you have a problem, contact them. All you got when you create an account, you just put your full name. Okay, I'll put Cyber Dragon just for purpose of the video. I'll create a password. Birthday. Put your gender. Not robot. Sign up. Okay, email's already taken. So there's another email. Let's see. Use one of my other emails. Let me get my book. Okay, it's already used. Okay. Oh, okay. Create my email. See how that works. Looks like a dashboard. Okay. Revenue, referrals. Okay. Read the article. Complete reading the article. The first thing you do is download add to cart self-determined conditions. Okay, so pretty much you have to read the article in about 1 minute. Article doesn't seem that long. Oh, only if you want to read it. I had to read about Bitcoins. Let's see. Looks like it just goes through. Looks like they kicked me out of the website for some particular random reason. Oh, you wait. Oh, yeah, skip. Oh, I see your 44 cents. Referrals. Copy link for every friend you invite, $5 on Facebook and Twitter. See payments. Kept opening that pop-up block. You withdraw your referrals with your revenue. Alright, the payment method are PayPal, Advance Cash, NetSeller, and Skrill. Oh, Neteller. So PayPal is the best one. 0.44. Withdraw all, withdraw referrals. Looks like it is pretty much withdraw by referrals. Okay. Withdraw referrals is minimum 25 referrals, that's about $125. So you can't withdraw until you hit about 125. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys next time.